Listen, bro. Can I just play games now? It's my turn. No. Because I was here first, so I'm playing the game. Come on, man. You've been playing the game for like an hour. Come on. No. You know, if you don't give me that controller, then I'll destroy something. Oh yeah, go ahead. What are you gonna do? I would do anything what I want. Well, go right ahead. Because if you do that, I'm calling the cops. Good, because I don't care. I'm gonna call the cops on you if you don't give me that controller. Oh yeah, well, if you grab the controller, then I am really gonna beat you up. And you're gonna get it. Alright, well, in that case, give me that controller now! Hey, stop! Hey! Let go! Let go! No. You are not getting it. You are not playing the game because I was here first. I was playing first. Oh yes, I can. I can play games wherever I want. Because you don't share. Let go. Get off of me. Get off. Jeez! Ah! Did you just kick me right in the shin? You know what? I had enough of this. Ralph, what are you doing? Watch me. What are you gonna do? You're gonna... Hey! Hey! That's a microwave! Why'd you do that? I want to play video games! And you feel me? Get that camera out of here! Get the camera out of my face, or else I'm gonna destroy the camera and you! Dude. You're not gonna do this. Oh. You're gonna be in a lot of trouble. Oh yeah, well, I don't care. So, I'm gonna break into pieces. Ralph! Stop it, will ya? Look what you did to the microwave. Now we can't cook any of the food. Oh yeah, well, you're just gonna have to buy another one. Buy another microwave, will ya? You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done! And I hope you enjoy this ridiculous video that you just made about me destroying the microwave. So, have fun with it. I hope you got a great video. Jerk face. What? You mean... What are you gonna do? You gonna destroy every house? Oh, buzz off. Dude, my little brother's crazy, man. So, that cool boy's crazy. Why are you still filming, huh? Why are you still here filming? Well, I just want to, film you, that's all. Well, get out of here, will you? Don't film me, okay? But I'm just trying to help. Well, still, this is your vlog, okay? You, the one who wants to get other people's business, okay? So, why don't you just go do a vlog somewhere else, will ya? Dude, I told you to get out of here, okay? So get out, go. Go. Okay. Could you not take out on me? Go. Oh, and don't forget. Here's your charger too. Get out of here, will ya? Okay. How rude. Turn off, will you? Stop filming!